I'm Valorant and you are watching Valorant Gaming. Today I'm going to mine a little bit. I find this one tough offline while I was playing and dividing. Oh man, there's mm, so many mobs here. These mobs make me so freak. These mobs are so bad, yeah. I hate these mobs like. Oh god, there's no more Minecraft here. Really? Where is all the Minecraft? Oh yeah, I find it. Oh man, my sister making scolding me, saying why you do not play with me. Oh, what is he doing now? Just wait a minute, sister. You don't think I have to make videos sometimes? Oh, sorry, I just see it. Everyone does any video. So that we're done now. And taking my video. No, guys, what am I even doing? What the hell are these? Yesterday, that so much. So many tracks. Where are all the much? Oh, I'll fight. Oh, more iron for my iron. For my friends and my teammates. They are so bad player. Not so bad, but they haven't played much as me. Uh, but I Minecraft so much. They have given the work to get them a good tool set. Okay guys, here is the keeper I think, and we kill it. We have already killed it. OMG, I was gonna fall. Just wait a minute, I'm coming. So many iron here. My sister is again scolding me. Oh god, too much iron here, yeah. Love it, love it. Oh, 18 iron. One stack, I think, enough for all of us. That, like, no money, not much. There are not much, as I think. Okay, then I need some stick, I think. I need some gold to make torches. I always lack out of torches, guys. And I haven't even make a base to handle this stuff over. I see too small inventory. I wanna get sulfur, guys. If I got sulfur, it will be so good for me. But I have to go to. Okay, what could I even see? What could I even see? Oh, you guys. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. No, what could I even say? I lack out of everything. What I... Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go then. Will you not play? I'm searching. अनुमति पण खेल्छु भन् राजु दा. Sorry guys, I was talking in a different language. If you understand, it is Nepali. If you don't understand, just ignore it. I'm from Nepal. Yes, please subscribe. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to get my YouTube to a high level. Okay, if here was good stuff, I will give away a pen in blocks. She is so trolling me. I hate this stuff. No guys, I need to go for now. Bye bye.